Everyone wants to make money online, but no one wants to spend 12 hours a day doing it. So, what's the laziest way to make money on the internet right now? One of the easiest and most scalable systems in 2025 is called YouTube automation. It's a method for building a digital asset that works for you. Despite the name, it's not really automatic. It's more like outsourcing. You create YouTube channels on different topics. But instead of showing your face, you use AI tools and freelancers to do most of the work for you. Many faceless channels earn thousands of dollars every month just from ad revenue. There are channels about celebrity news, sports highlights, top 10 TV moments, old Hollywood, country music, and much more. All of them follow a similar system. Find a good niche, create valuable videos, and let YouTube's algorithm do the rest. Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. Script writing. The script is your video's blueprint. Use ChatGPT to write it. But remember, quality inputs create quality outputs. Don't just type, "Make me a script about making money online." Be specific. Give it a role and a clear structure. This gives you a solid foundation to work with. Always fact-check any claims the AI generates. Step 2. Voiceover. Once you have the script, use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Play.ht. These tools are incredibly realistic. The key is finding a voice that matches your channel's tone. Paste your script, choose a realistic voice, and then adjust the pacing and add pauses for emphasis to make it sound more human. Step 3. Video editing. Now it's time to create visuals for your video. You can either hire a freelancer on Fiverr to edit your videos, or learn to do it yourself using simple apps like CapCut or Premiere Pro. For footage, use stock video sites like Pexels or Storyblocks. Keep your visuals changing every few seconds, add transitions, and make sure all clips are copyright-free. Step 4. Thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's billboard. Create eye-catching thumbnails that spark curiosity. A great thumbnail has high contrast, a clear focal point, and minimal text. You can hire someone on Fiverr, or design them yourself using Canva or Photoshop. Remember, a great thumbnail is key to a high click-through rate. Step 5. Avoid copyright issues. To stay safe, make your videos transformative. That means you're not just re-uploading clips. You're adding your own unique narration, commentary, and significant edits to create a new work. This makes your content original under fair use principles and keeps your channel safe from copyright claims. Step 6. Consistency. You won't make money overnight. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Some channels take weeks to get traction, others take months. Create a sustainable upload schedule, like 1 or 2 videos per week. Consistency signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and worth promoting. Step 7. Subscribers don't equal money. You don't need millions of subscribers to earn well. What really matters are your views and your RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. This is determined by your audience. A finance channel might have a $20 RPM, while a gaming channel has a $4 RPM. A small channel with a high RPM can easily earn thousands if it reaches the right viewers. Step 8. Choose the right niche. Even though YouTube seems crowded, there are still plenty of opportunities. Focus on older audiences, people over 30 or 40, because most creators ignore them. They watch longer, trust content more, and have higher disposable income, which means more ad revenue for you. Great niches include classic music, history, old Hollywood, specific hobbies like gardening, and health topics. Step 9. Keep improving. The longer you work on your channel, the better you'll get at making videos, writing scripts, and finding winning topics. Pay close attention to your analytics to see what works. Each video teaches you something new about what your audience wants to see. Conclusion. To sum up, use AI tools for writing and voiceover. Hire or learn simple editing, stay consistent, and choose timeless topics with a valuable audience. It's not about being lucky. It's about working smarter by building a system. If you stay focused and patient, YouTube automation can become one of the laziest yet smartest ways to make money online in 2025.